Good morning, guys. So, today is another day. Medyo cloudy sa labas. But anyway, it's fine. Hindi naman siya masyadong malamig. I don't think it's cooler today. And yun, guys. Nag-antay lang kami sa mga guests na mag breakfast. They're still not down. It's already 8:30 in the morning here. So, I think they might come down a bit later. So, ito yung breakfast. Ano namin, guys? Buffet. So, they help themselves. So, andan yung mga different jams. Ayan, guys. So, kompleto kami lahat. We've got lemon curd, merong honey, ayan. So, marmalade, ganon. So, strawberry, and ayan yung mga glasses namin. So, they open that one, ayan, for their juice. Meron din dyan sa kabila. So, ito yung mga cereals namin. Different kinds. And this is the juice. Ayan. Merong plain yogurt. Fruit yogurts. And meron kaming summer fruit compote. So, ayan yung mga different fruits. Fresh fruits. And croissants. Ayan, guys. So, meron ding dry fruit dyan. So, ayan, naka-ready na lahat. So, ito pala yung dining room namin, guys. Ayan, this dining room seats about 18 people. So, ayan siya. Ayan, guys. So, ayan, guys. We'll have to close the doors kasi yun nga, guys. Mag-close kami, guys. So, not so good. Kailangan mag-close. Maganda yung weather today, guys. So, cloudy pero ayan, blue sky. And it's not too cold. It's cooler today, guys. So, ayan. Maganda na yung garden namin, oh. Daddy put some plants already. Ayan. And then, meron din kami itong dalawa nito by the front door. Ayan siya. So, yun nga, guys. So, kailangan na namin mag-close today. So, ay, naku. Ayan. So, close na lahat. Ayan, naka-close na both the front doors. And obviously, ito, yung middle door. So, ayan, guys. Tapos na. And naka-tidy up na kami dyan. All done. So, yun, guys. Close kami today. So, and hindi pala, yan, close na. check ko lang dito sa ano namin. Okay naman lahat dito. So, yan nga guys. Okay. Temporarily, we are going to be closing for 5 days. So, yan. Mag-lock tayo sa mga doors. So, lahat na okay na dito. So, yan. Close na lahat. Okay na. Check ko lang kayo sa taas. Okay naman lahat. Naka-off naman yung lights. There is one light na mamaya ko na lang siya i-off. So, yun nga guys. Close kami kasi guys, half term ng mga bata dito sa school. So, wala silang pasok this week, Monday to Friday. So, we decided na mag-close kami kasi nga walang klase yung mga bata. Tapos si Sam, we have to spend quality time with him. So, close din yung business namin. So, only for temporarily, guys. So, we're back, fully open from Saturday kasi meron kaming bookings from Saturday next weekend yun. So, yun nga guys, only for temporarily, yun nga. So, yung plano namin this week or in the next few days, we're just going to be going to explore the area or further out, days out, and ganon. So, with Sam, maybe kasama namin din si Adrian. I don't know, it depends if he's working this week. But yun nga guys, is more of Samuel kasi nga wala silang pasok. And also for us as a business owners na makapagpahinga kami for a week. So which is good kasi guys, after this week wala na kaming talagang full on kami hanggang winter, hanggang October. So non-stop yan. So kailangan talaga namin na mag-break this week. So yun nga guys, only temporarily guys. So that's it. Business is still good, very good actually. So yun nga guys, so we're going to have a good time this week. I will try to vlog some of the days that what we're going to do and where we're going. So samahan nyo kami in hopefully mag-vlog nga ako. So yun nga guys. So, thank you for watching my vlog and have a nice day guys. Mamaya pala pupunta kami sa circus. Meron kaming circus dito sa town namin. It started last week. So, last day nila is today. So, pupunta kami with Sam obviously kasi meron kaming free tickets. So, diba? So, it's going to be fun. So, yun nga guys. Have a nice day and thank you for watching. Bye!